Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your phone is unlocked and connected. This prevents interruptions during account changes. Once connected, sign into the Samsung account that currently uses cloud so you can manage its options. Now go directly to Settings, then choose Accounts and Backup to reach Samsung Cloud Controls. This is the first actionable step to access sync toggles and storage options you'll turn off next. Once in Samsung Cloud, tap Manage Sync Settings. You must explicitly turn off each service you don't want backed up. You'll flip off Contacts, Calendar, Gallery, and any other toggles. This stops new data from uploading. Next, locate Auto Backup or Backup Data and disable it. When prompted, confirm that you want to stop automatic uploads. Make sure to read prompts about removing local copies versus cloud copies before you continue. To fully disable cloud services, remove the Samsung account only after you've secured any data you need. Go to Settings, Accounts, select the Samsung account, and choose Remove. Before removal, check cloud storage to delete or download files so you don't lose content. Once removed, restart your device and verify that all sync toggles remain off. Troubleshooting tip: if sync resumes, sign back in briefly to turn off toggles, then remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.